Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Kubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version on VirtualBox. First go to Kubuntu official website, that is kubuntu.com. Then click on download, scroll down, see here we have the Kubuntu 24.04.3, the latest long-term support version of the Kubuntu operating system for desktop PCs and laptops. Kubuntu 24.04.3 supported with security maintenance updates until April 2027. Okay, so see here we have the direct download or download by using torrent or other options. Okay, I'm going to download by using direct method. So click on this 64-bit download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 4.2 gigabytes. So I'm cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Okay, or go through this video description. See here I have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. Then click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving virtual machine name as Kubuntu. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down. Then select other. Then select the path where you want to save the files. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once we selected OS to Linux and OS distribution to Ubuntu. Okay, OS version is Ubuntu 24.04. Then check this, proceed with unattended installation. Then go to hardware, virtual hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on. Then don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Okay, then come to hardware. I have given 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to virtual hard disk size. I have given 50 gigabytes. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Now still you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, just click on here, select the virtual machine from this list and click on settings, or right click and select settings, or select it on machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the try or install Kubuntu and hit enter. First we have to select the language from this list, and see here we have two options, try Kubuntu or install Kubuntu. Try Ubuntu is temporary or run live environment, but install Kubuntu is permanent. So click on install Kubuntu. Now we have to select the language from this list. Okay, I'm okay with the default one. Then click on next. Now we have to select the time zone. So select the region from this list, then zones. Okay, or you can select on this globe. Okay, then click on next. Now select the keyboard model. Okay, I'm okay with the defaults, or you can select from this list. Then click on next. Then see here installation modes. See here we have three options: full installation, normal installation, minimal installation, and additional options. Suppose if you select this full installation, these will be checked automatically. See, okay, normal means optionally you can select these options. Then minimal, those will be available. Okay, I'm going with normal installation. Optionally you can select these. Okay, then if you want to download and install updates following installation, then you have to select this checkbox. I don't want any one of them. Then click on next. See, this is a fresh installation, so I'm going to select erase disk and click on continue. Now we have to create our setup user. This is the username and this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change this host name or computer name. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back. If you're okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is just confirmation, then click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Keep the checkbox that is restart now and click on done. See the message. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay. Go to VirtualBox manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, then you have to click on here and remove the disk. Remove disk from the virtual drive. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter. Now provide the password. Hit enter. Okay. Now open terminal or console. See here. Now verify the version that you have installed. More /etc os-release. See, you have installed 24.04. Okay. Control it. The first step after connecting to Kubuntu is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update -y sudo apt upgrade -y. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is updating the packages. Okay, so in this video we have how to download and install Kubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.